crap, it's vertical. I don't know how to do a YouTube video. I don't know where to look at. I'm looking right there, but it doesn't do nothing. Oh my god, we're driving on the interstate, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We're just riding.
I think we're about to get some of the hurricane.
Yeah, tell them.
So guys, there's a hurricane and we're going straight through it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're going to Montgomery, Alabama.
Look on there and see.
Yeah.
Everyone's related.
Yeah. We're gonna die. We are going to die in this hurricane. We are going to die. But you know, we might survive. I keep on filming vertical. We're not going to survive and you know it. Oh, it's Terminex. Right beside us.
To our left, behind us.
Yeah. Is that Dad? No, it says Yeet. It says Yeet. Crap, I can't. Oh, crap, it's too far away. Can I zoom in or not still? No, I won't go any far. His tag says Yeet. Huh? His tags.
You want live.
His tag said Yeet. Oh my god, we're passing so many hospitals.
It's not a hospital, you dumb. It's a nervous.
Well, whatever it
It's
is.
a nervous. Oh my god, it's a hospital.
It's a hospital. Yo, we're about to play Never Have I Ever, though.
Never have I ever. Shut up. Never.
Oh, yes, I have. I almost died. Me and Dad were outside one day and started in that field. Then it sucked me in. And I was like, help. Yeah. Well, I guess we're not doing Never Have I Ever. Well, she's listening to Post Malone. Yeah, so. This is like one of my first videos. I'm starting YouTube, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Comment down below.